We're at CADIZ harbor. We arrived here last Sunday. That was like 5 days ago. And well, this is the harbor that we're staying at. Yeah. So we just checked in. They saw papers.
Yes.
And now we can go
approved.
explore. We're approved.
Usually I just write down some gibberish.
yes, we did. And then over there is the city, hopefully. So somewhere over there. Okay, let's go explore. It's like a 20-minute walk to the city center from here. So we'll see. Oh wow! Beautiful!
Yesterday I saw the castle.
Did you see the castle? So yesterday we had these waves as well. That is why I was getting seasick. Look at them. I think we found it. I'm gonna light a fire. Poof! Look at this square. It's amazing. Look at the tree.
You have to tell what you like about the sea.
What do I like?
Express your feelings.
This is awesome. So where do we want to go?
We go to the Plaza de San Antonio. Hola. Hoy colecta para caritas. Carita.
No, in English. where to go next?
The Casa del Obispo. Casa del Obispo.
Okay, well everything goes that way, so.
Yeah. Funny, do you know what's funny?
What's funny?
Strange thing is that when you are at night at sea, you can see the lights.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
you can see the lighthouses.
That's the lighthouse, yeah.
If you are 30 miles, you can see the lighthouse from almost 30 miles away.
Yeah.
So if you're in the middle from Mountain here, you can see both lighthouses.
Really?
Yeah, so at night you can see Mountain over there. Because of the lights that shine in the...
Yeah?
Hola. See? See?
Yeah, awesome park. We just went walking around a bit, which was awesome. It's a very, very pretty city. I don't think I have seen a city this awesome. Yeah, so we're gonna take you around a tour of Cadiz because this is, I think, one of the most beautiful cities there is. It has almost everything, and it's very, very cute. And
Here was the arena.
what kind of arena?
Bullfighting. Oh no, human fighting arena. With gladiators. The gladiator arena. The gladiator arena was here. This stadium was built by the friend of Gaius Julius Caesar. The friend was living in Cadiz and he thought, hey, wait, I need another theater too. And therefore they built it. And as you can see, this is a gladiator theater. And as you can see over there, the gladiators, they came over there from that building. And then they lined up over here to fight here in the arena. And this was all because of the friend of Julius Caesar. So this was approximately built in 60 years after Christ.
Before?
No, after.
BC. BC is before Christ. Today and tomorrow we're getting a lot of wind, a lot of wind. There's these two storms, they're coming from the Strait of Gibraltar and they're massive. But I think everything will be okay and stuff like that. We just we have tide up there, so that's good. So this is there. update. I got this little basket, or little, yeah, for my sister, and I think I did too much in there. So yeah, it's all stuffed, so, but one of these days we're going to eat sprouts.
Hello? Do you know how they call this place?
No?
They call it Little Havana.
Why?
Because apparently they have like the same boulevard, Havana. And this was also because Spanish, when they made trade with Southern America, Patagonia, and stuff like Mexico and stuff, they left from Cadiz. So Cadiz was the city where Christopher Columbus departed from when he discovered America. And since then, Cadiz remained the main trading partner for all the business that they took in the Southern America. Yeah, so a lot of Spanish they sailed over to the United States and, or to America, and there they they made they recreated parts like Cadiz in, for example, Cuba and Buenos Aires in Argentina. So therefore, this place looks almost exactly the same as Havana. And also, yeah, the James Bond movie was recorded here, right? The part, Die Another Day. That's it. What happened at the museum, my darling?
Moet je dat niet doen? Zo.
Yes?
Well, we no.
No, there was no one at the museum. We were the only one.
Oh yeah. Oh. In English.
This was the arena
That we saw.
we saw. Zo, kijk zo. Mag ook al mensen, hè?
castle this is.
Yeah, we
Or,
already
what?
know what kind of castle.
Oh, what kind of castle is this?
Yeah, well,
We already do.
the Castello de San Sebastian, Spanish Castello de San Sebastian, is a fortress located in Cadiz in Spain. At the end of the La Calcera beach, on a small island separating from the main city. In 1706, the castle was constructed, which resulted in a fortified enclosure of a regular plain. It defended the northern flank of the city from attack. A base of the lighthouse was a watchtower from the Muslim period.
Hey, boy mate. What you doing? Hallo?
Volgens mij was hij gewoon tegen die haak aangezwommen.
Ja. T's searching for a fish that we just caught and throw back into the water because it was too small. What did you do?
I catch fish,
Yeah.
and tonight we're gonna barbecue it.
No, because it was too small. And what did you that do? Release the fish and needed to throw it back into the water. And now she has dirty hands. Awesome.